my channel. It's me, Hartley Plays. So today's videos, I am playing this airplane for I found my cousin playing, so I thought I should play this, and I never played this before, so let's go. So I can see it's got a bit like going and now it will teleport you to this teleport to the story or some sort. This is a story about an airplane. My cousin kept saying that some monsters. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so the players are 12. Oh, you can only. Oh, there we go. It's starting. Okay, so it's loading as you can see. Make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell before this Roblox starts. So yeah, it's 51, like in the evening, literally evening. Oh, this is a long time. Okay. Airplane for one last flight. Is there like an airplane 3 or some sort? I don't know. Okay, it's starting. Okay, it's still weird, but okay. Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey. Okay, that's that. What? Don't tell me you forgot. Today's the big day. What big day, Dad? I don't know what the big day is. Let me remind you. We are flying to Rohamas. Get down here. Okay, so the objective is go find Dad. So we are gonna go find. Okay, so I'm just following this girl. Oh, there's Dad. Hi, oh, there is your baggage here. Okay. I can't believe you forgot. We don't even have time. That's it. Whoever doesn't have the baggage ready before breakfast is not going to the trip. Dad said, is it like no? I will start making the burgers in the bucket. Hurry up. Okay. Okay, so I don't know what's hurrying up. Oh, so I did not do my bags. Well, I did not do anything. I really want to go to the trip. What are we gonna do? I don't even remember where my clothes are. Yeah, me too, because I'm really new in this house. Okay, here's what we're going to do. We have 45 seconds to explore the house and see where everything is. Then we will start packing. Okay, that's weird. I'm gonna start with the boys' room. There's, there is, somebody showering, so, I didn't expect that. We have 30 seconds. Let's go to the girls' room. Okay, so there are, okay, shirts. Oh, a rubber ducky. Oh, I got a Poncho King secret. What the heck is that? Meaning is that? I really don't know the meaning of that, but okay. We have 10 seconds, so yeah, people are waiting here, so maybe let's wait here. Okay, guys, time to start packing. Let's go. Okay, find this item. Okay, I literally found it, like literally right here. Okay, let's get it. Let's go down. So the arrow is pointing to your bag. Okay, that's my baggage. That's literally mine. Okay, so there's a health bar. Maybe that like the orange or yellow kind of thingy is like the health bar. I don't know. Let's wait here. Is that everything? Like only like a pants and that's it? I don't even have any shirts, shoes, and anything. This is weird. Okay, well, let's go into the burgers. Yes, I don't know. Oh, I still not. Okay, find this item, shoes. Let's go to the girls' room. So there we go. I found it. Okay, so go to find the arrow again. Oh, why am I going to wall? That's weird. Okay, there we go. Put it in my item. I mean my bag. Okay, Okay. So I don't know what to do. I have two colors, white and pink. For some sort, it's like just literally a shirt. The shoes is literally like a shirt. Oh my god, that is weird. Okay. Okay. So I don't know what to do next. It just explode. Oh, I thought that's it. So it's not still it. It still have one more item to do, and the last item, it's not here in the girls' bathroom. Let's go to the bathroom. It's not in the girls' closet. Closet. Let's go to the boys' room. Okay, so I found it. I don't know why I need a boy shoes, but it's the game, and the game doesn't know if I'm a girl or I'm a boy or some sort of like that. So yeah, this is actually a very nice game. So what's next? Is there another one? There's no. Okay. Burgers are almost ready. Okay, so burgers. Let's go to the backyard. Okay, so I'm gonna follow this. I think we can. Oh, it's just loading. Okay, so. Oh, I am swimming that fast. Okay, got the baggage. That's cooking. Oh, there's a secret here. Let's go. I can't even get in here. There. What the? Okay, let me get that. Panochi. Oh, I don't know even how to pronounce that. But okay. So I actually did that. Very nice one. Okay, let's sit here. I think we're gonna get burgers. Someone is friending me. Okay, that's weird. Okay. Let's just kind of wait. Who wants burger? Me, Dad, duh. I'm hungry. I do. I'm so hungry. Well, okay. Alright. Whoever wants one, take a seat on the picnic table. Well, I'm already a seat, so I don't. Why is there a timer here? It's weird. Hi, Dad. Okay, want the burger. Why is, like, what the heck? Why are there half ball, like, half, what the heck is that color? I think I'm just, like, being intense, but I saw, like, never mind. One for one. I don't even know how to do that. Pronounce it. One for Megan, please. It's me. And that's all of them. Enjoy. Wait, how about the others? Like, really, that girl that really... I don't know if that's a girl or not, but... Okay, well, never mind. Hello, everyone. We're back on Biloxi State's news. Okay. Oh! It's the radio. Duh. Earliest this month, the president congratulated the brave heroes that saved his life aboard the presidential plane. Whoa! Can you imagine saving a plane? No, Dad, I can't. Like, literally can't. However, the president said in the conference, as we landed, the suspect somehow disappeared. Is that even possible? The police warns everyone in Robloxia to be careful and report anything that could be useful in the case. How could someone possibly escape from something like that? That's like what I said. Oh my, look at the time. I can't, there's like literally no clock in like outside. We are running late to our flight. Unless, follow me. That is like a fast talker. I can't even like say what Dad is saying. Okay, so Dad, you're so slow. You're very fast at talking, but you're very slow walker. So Dad, where are we gonna go? I have a bad feeling about this. Where are we gonna go? Oh, is open. I didn't even see that it's open. I have a bad feeling about this. I thought there's a new one. Okay. La 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 la. I don't know what to do. Really don't know. What's that? Why is that even new? What the heck is this? Can I open this? I can't. The garage? Yes, of course it's garage. Wait for it. What are we gonna wait, Dad? Can I press that? Oh, it actually worked. Or is it just that? I present you your very own small plane. Okay, that is weird. Can I sit here, like in the front? I want to be in front. We get to fly the airport to catch another plane. That's funny. It's also a lot more fun than walking. That's actually the right idea. How can I sit? Can I sit there? Can I sit there? Now we can lose more time. We can't lose more time. Find your plane and grab a seat. So I am fine. Oh! Finally, I found my plane. Your plane. Yeah, I'm in the like, front. Now we can leave. Okay, that's too late. Okay, loading. Okay, it's starting. Let's go. I'll see you guys in another side. I don't want to die. No, I'm just joking. Wait. We don't even know how to fly this. Yeah, I forgot. We will find out. Just be careful with the obstacle. Wait. What did I just say? Obstacle? I don't know how to do. I hate obstacle. I hate this. Oh, okay, so, top, but, what the? Down? This is the most hardest thing ever. I don't know how to do this. Do you need to go here? Oh no, it's caution. Oof, okay. You can't, this is so hard. How do you even do this? Oh, I'm gonna crash. Literally gonna crash. Okay, let's go up. Okay. Oh, I think I'm gonna crash this. Oh, yep. I just crashed myself. Oof. And I'm crashing myself. Up. Oh, another one. And finally, I think that's the end, like the white. The teleportation or some sort. I think that's everybody. There we go. Okay, we joined. Wait, okay. Hi, Dad. So, oh my god. How is that even possible? He didn't even lose any. What? That's impossible. It's really impossible. What the heck is this? Why is it? Am I game glitching? Yeah, guys, I don't know. I think my game is glitching. Okay, so it said, wait for everyone to what did I just say? For everyone to whatever to finish. Wait, everyone to finish. Okay, so I forgot to tell you. Flying over that shortcut is like, what? Hopefully nobody saw you. Oh my god, Dad. What the heck? Like, what? The airport is just around the corner. Let's keep moving. Like, Dad, why did you not say it was not illegal? It was illegal. Why did you not even say that? Now I'm gonna literally get caught by the police. Literally. Okay, so it's right there, like literally across the mall, and I can't even, there's an invisible wall there. It's right there. I heard it just said that, I don't know why I did. Okay, let's go. What is happening? Oh my ma. She just died. That's weird. I don't have any bags. I can't even press anything. Attention everyone! Flight 7616 Rohamas is leaving in 5 minutes. That's our flight. Yeah, we just literally just told us in the morning that we have this. I already have my ticket. get yours before the plane takes off without us. Okay, it's loading. Well, okay, I got my bag. So I'm gonna follow this. I think this boy know how to do this and I don't know how to and do this. You need to get a ticket. Okay, so I'm gonna follow this guy. Okay, so the ticket. Here's flight, enjoy your flight, okay, blah blah blah. There. Hi dad. Okay, I got in. Got a ticket. Why do you look like a zombie literally? No. No more waiting. Let's go. I thought that's something. No more waiting. Let's go. Okay. What is taking so long? Hello. You must be the last passenger flying to Bahamas. Don't worry. You are just in time. Well, obviously. All you need to know is go through the metal detector and you are good to go. Okay. Alright, let's go to the metal. Oh my shoot. Why did it go to red? Well, I don't even have any metal or some sort. What? I don't have anything other than this weapon. What? Dad, why do you have a weapon in your like suit or something? Something's not right. Please wait for a minute. A minute. Oh no, I don't like how that sounds. Oh shoot, the police are here. Driving that plane are so illegal. Please, we don't even know anything here. Can we get out, please? You're going to have to come with us. Okay. Is there a problem, officer? All of you were caught flying over a restricted area. You are in big trouble. I knew it. What the F? Dad, now I am gonna go to jail. This is not good. Besides, I know it was a bad idea. Yeah, I really know that too, because really, now we are totally losing the flight. There it goes. It's starting to take off. How can I go in there? What is that red thing in the airstrip? Oh shit, what the heck is that? Oh shoot, what is that? That's like a monster. Stereodox. Last one. My plan is finally complete. I don't know. Why is it coming to us? Can we leave now? Leave. I have low health. Are you enjoying the show, humans? Your world will soon be property of the undead. First, these angry humans to help me build an army. But now I can take over the world by myself. Don't worry. You will be part of my army too. I'm never gonna be part of you now. See you in the afterlife. Okay, don't just leave. Literally, don't just leave. Where are you going? There's like no. Okay, just never mind. Well, what is going on? Why is there like a police there? Look, the cops are back. Let's ask them for help. Okay. Oh, I don't think those cops are friendly. They look like the dead. And they're like black. I think I need to get the, but I have low health, but I'm gonna kill them. Low health, but I'm gonna kill. Keep jumping hardly. Oh, I am really a low health. There, I am red dot. Literally a red dot in my house. Okay. Hey, Dad. Okay, so now what we're gonna do? That was horrible. We gotta find out to that. Okay, I'm gonna keep jumping here. Look, there's vents. Try to see if we can get up there. Oh, oh, wait, what? That's, like, you can actually do it? Oh, okay. Okay, come. Okay, boom. Okay, okay. I hate obstacle. Okay, so what is this? Okay, loading again. I have like literally low health. Oh guys, we found an open vent. We need to go out. Get out here. Quick. Wait. Where is that? Yeah, where's that? Like I can't even find it. Oh. You need to keep going without me. Oh no. The skeleton curse is affecting Dad. Oh, that's actually sad. We have to do something. But first, let's get out this place before the monsters take us. Okay. So I'm just gonna keep jumping until I found out everything. Okay. Next one. Oh shoot. Is that like it? Oh. Okay, so I did it. Oh no 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 no. Shoot. Oh shoot. It looks like I'm late to the party. What? Who even are you? Punch you. I'm Poncho, ex-general of the Robloxian States Army. Ooh. I heard you from the news. You not supposed to be dead. I've been trying to stop this strange creature for years, since we were dependent on it. I had to fake my death. We are the only ones left. We have to find and destroy Skeletox before the bad energy consumed us. So we're like the only one on Earth. We need to do this for our dad. Is it time to be a hero then? Follow me. Okay, wait please. Can you not like be fast? Really not be fast? You're so fast. Okay. There. What are you doing? That way. Oh, you're having a pointing thing. Okay. Let's go there. Let's go. 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 What? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Okay. So, be careful. This guy might be an infected. Wait. Why does he seem familiar? Okay. That was a nice one. I don't know who was that. Hello, General. Remember me? I don't even remember you. No way. You're supposed to be dead. I guess we are both supposed to be dead. When my dark side attacked the presidential plane, we got shot in the face. Okay? That made my current become weaker. Okay. The only way I can be free is by killing Skeletox. Skeletox. I still don't trust you. You could be lying to us. I don't know what's happening. You're not going to be a part of this mission. What? Well, I'm staying to do this. Well, I'm going to do it, General. Who's coming with me? There's no way my team is going with you. Yeah, I think we will. And I think we will not. So I'm just, so she or he voted for General Poncho? Pinocchio? Let's just say Poncho, yeah, let's say that. General Poncho. We choose to go to General Poncho. Stay out of our way, Ronald. We are saving the world. We will. Okay, so let's go. Oh, this is the cave. Ooh. This is the place where all of the evil energy comes from. What is that noise? Oh no, they found us. Yep, that's very fast to know. Okay, so where are we gonna go? Quickly, go inside the cave. We need to lose them. Okay, so we need to lose them. I don't know where I'm going. I'm just really never. Okay, so I'm gonna follow that. Okay, follow. Okay. There's another plane and that plane goes to here. Okay. Keep going, Hartley. Okay, here's General Ponko. Okay, hello General Ponko. What is this place? This looks like an evil Ultratar. Someone must have summoned Skeletons. Then who was it? Is it Ronald? This glowing plane looks like an off. Okay, let's oh my god, that literally face of that literally I just think that I did that, and I really have a low health, so we might die. Okay, so we can get that because I want. Ooh. You have like, oh shoot. Look up there. You were right, General. What did General say? Oh my. Pilot Kelly. I thought she was dead. What? She is there. Oh, she? Oh, I thought it was someone. And that guy, Ponko, they really don't know even Jack. I think I know that from one of the story that I did. I did not really that. I was not a YouTuber that. Then get out here, General. It's a trap. It's too late. Oh no, where is it? Ooh, that was fast. I'm gonna run over here. I have harvested enough scared soul to have my full power. Why do you think I go after planes? Oh, I get it. It's the easiest way to get souls together, scared for their life. I just used Ronald because I did not have enough power to do it myself. Okay, but now I do. Get ready to be harvested. Oh shoot, I'm not gonna go there. Oh shoot. Shoot. Okay, I'm just gonna run. I'm gonna literally gonna die. Oh, I'm gonna die there. I'm gonna die. Okay, I'm just gonna. Okay, I'm gonna go die here. Really gonna die. Okay. Oh shoot. You might die there. Whoever you are, let me LJ. Go. Okay. Oh shoot, nope, I am just gonna go around you. Oh, nope. Okay. I might die here. Oof, no, I have literally low health. I have low health. Please don't. I have low health. Oof, I literally have low health. I'm not gonna do this. Let me LJ. Just become solo, okay? Okay, no. Please, I have low health. Oh shoot. No. Oof. Let me LJ your health are like that short. Nope. No. Oh, I have this much health, like, oh my god, I literally, it's, okay, punch him, her, or whoever that is. Let's go, nope, no. Okay, let's run. Oh, nope, I'm not gonna go there. I know it will kill me. I have like one teensy bit of life, and I might actually win this. No, please, no. Please, I'm really begging you. Oh no. No. No, 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 no. Nope, nope, nope. Oh. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Well, I just died, so... Yeah, I know I will die there because I have like 1 HP of life. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!